The product of two positive integers is 546. If the first integer is 11 greater than twice the second integer, what is the smaller of the two integers? Okay, now let me assume the first integer as x and the second integer as a y. Now let's use the first information, that is the product of two positive integers is 546. That is, when I multiply this x and y, that is equal to 546. Now we can use other information. The first integer is 11 greater than twice the second integer. So our first integer is, we know that first integer is x. X equals to 11 greater than twice the second integer. Twice the second integer means 2 times y. 11 greater than means we have to add 11 to this one. Here we have two equations. Now we have to solve the system of two equations using Desmos for x and y. Okay, now let me take these two equations as input in Desmos. So that is xy equals to 546, and the second equation is x equals to 2y positive 11. Okay, now to get the values of x and y, we have to consider the points of intersection of the graphs of the two equations. One is over here and the other one is over here. And the first point over here, the value of x is negative 28, the value of y is negative 19.5. According to the information, we have two positive integers. So here we have to consider the point where both x coordinate and y coordinate are positive integers. That is 39 and 14. So x equals to 39 and y equals to 14. Here I got the two positive integers. Our aim is to get the smaller one. So the smaller one is 14. We find 14 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.